How to create, set up, and launch a profitable online store. Historically, success in commerce was defined by a simple formula. Secure a profitable spot for your cart. Shout louder than your competitor to attract more foot traffic. Operate at a lower cost to pocket more profits. In the 21st century, it is no longer that simple. Large, vocal brands often fail to connect with modern consumers. The physical location can be more of a nuisance than a convenience, and a small store can be operated with a lean budget and no inventory at all. Choose a niche and develop a business plan. The e-commerce market is hyper-diverse. Even today's giants, such as Amazon, started as niche retailers. Do background research on e-commerce niches to identify your focus area through the following. Conduct a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a simple yet effective way to assess different niche and product ideas. Find industry gaps. With targeted research, you can uncover unfulfilled consumer demands even within popular product categories. To find gaps in your target market, tap into social media. Analyze your target audience's concerns, complaints, and recommendation requests. Google Trends. Compare and contrast the search volume for different product types. Look at bestsellers on Amazon and eBay. Read reviews, check out tutorials, and see what the shoppers are missing. Analyze your customer personas. The best e-commerce solution ideas are born at the intersection of needs, preferences, and interests among the target audience. Create a set of ideal buyer personas populated with demographic data, age, location, occupation, income. Psychographic data, interests, values, beliefs, struggles, and aspirations. Choose the right business model. As part of your customer research, you should also note how and where your audience tends to buy products and what would be the best way to reach them. B2B e-commerce. Do you see yourself selling more to wholesalers, retailers, and business buyers? B2C e-commerce. Or would you rather market your products directly to consumers? Selling on online marketplaces. Popular marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, or Etsy provide built-in access to various audiences. Dropshipping. This model passes on order fulfillment tasks to a third party, so you don't hold any inventory yourself. DTC. The direct-to-consumer business model eliminates the intermediary. Find your e-commerce platform. E-commerce platforms come in different types with varying native features and extensions. It may be tempting to start with the cheapest website builder. However, the downside is that you may have to migrate your e-commerce site later, which is an added complexity. Consider the long term, even if you're building your first iteration. When analyzing different options, ask, how many products do you plan on selling? The first step should be to understand what products you plan on selling and how many. If you plan on running a smaller business, you can get away with using a lower-cost platform without extensive features. However, as you scale your business, your site's complexity will increase alongside it. If your business is large or consistently growing, setting aside the resources for a more expensive platform could be in your best interest. Pick the right products. Selecting the right products to sell is essential to the ultimate success of your online store. While it may seem like an obvious step, it is often anything but. Too often, online businesses find themselves faltering because they have selected products that are oversaturated in their market or simply too available. Similar to finding your niche, when selecting your products, it is important to find something unique and in limited supply elsewhere. Remember, you're competing with the likes of eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. Any edge you can find on the market can go a long way. Design your online store. Website design is a complex, but critical aspect of launching your online store. The wrong design or template used can alienate or distract your customers, reducing sales and limiting your store growth. When designing your store, the following questions can help you determine how your site should look. Begin listing your products. Listing your products and crafting product pages is critical in creating an effective and successful online store. When listing products, the main things to remember to include are product descriptions. A persuasive product description addresses the customer's problem, lists the product's features, and highlights the primary benefits to prompt a sale. Product images. Don't skimp on product photography. Hire a professional photographer to do the shooting if you can afford to. If not, create a homemade photography setup for shooting attractive e-commerce photos. Consider 360-degree photos for higher value items such as furniture, equipment, or certain types of garments. According to a recent study from Internet Retailer magazine, implementing 360-degree product photography on e-commerce sites increased conversion rates by about 13%. Product categories. Website taxonomy helps establish and manage relationships between different product pages. Product categories, in particular, are necessary to display your catalog and make your inventory more discoverable. Establish payment options. Before launching your online store, it is critical that you have established a diverse set of online payment options for your potential customers. The payment methods you have available at the point of sale POS can determine how large your customer base will be and save you from future hassle. Most e-commerce website builders provide a method of connecting you to multiple payment options, including processors like PayPal, Apple Pay, Stripe, and major credit cards. The most popular way of adding payments to your online store include payment gateway packages, credit card payment processing, payment gateways, and merchant accounts. Make sure to understand any potential transaction fees that may occur. Publish and promote your online store. Every entrepreneur's worst nightmare is seeing 0 active visitors in Google Analytics on the launch day. To make sure that your new store is bursting with virtual visitors, you'll need to prioritize several e-commerce marketing channels. Develop a pre-launch promotion strategy for them. To get traffic to a new online store, most markets rely on social media. Start building your online audiences before your website is published. Share quick product previews, teasers, and behind-the-scenes previews to build up anticipation. Then announce the planned launch day and steer extra engagement by offering special discounts promos to all followers. If you are launching a niche store, you can also get extra free publicity by networking in niche online communities and forums. Influencer marketing. Audience-less businesses may want to prioritize pre- and post-launch influencer marketing campaigns. The big boon of influencer marketing is that you get triple benefits: a push in brand awareness recall, engagement with your organic content across different social media apps, direct leads, and boost sales. Influencer partnerships at early stages can help attract those first few sales and increase your online presence among search engines, as interested consumers will start typing in your brand domain name in the search. Paid advertising. Targeted Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest campaigns can also facilitate brand and product discovery in real time. Like with other performance marketing strategies, the advantage is that you only pay for meaningful action clicks, visits, inquiries, sales, etc. Search engine optimization (SEO) and email marketing are other advertising strategies, though both require more time and investment to take off. However, the sooner you start, the faster you'll see positive traction. Everyone's journey to online commerce will be somewhat different. Some create online stores to complement retail operations. Others venture out as hobbyists and then scale via self-funding or seek to attract external investment. What remains constant is the underlying setup process. You need to select a fit-for-purpose e-commerce platform, set up your product catalog, tweak design and other configurations, and then dial up on marketing. With BigCommerce, this process has never been easier. Enhance your brand and engage shoppers with the leading platform for creating beautiful, intuitive e-commerce stores and sites. That's all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.